dream of a city called glory. When it was so bright, so bright and so fair, and as I entered the gate, I cried, holy, 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 and all the angels all met me there, and then they carried me from mansion to all the sights that I saw. Then I said, I want to see my Jesus, 'cause He's the one who died for all. Then I bowed my knees and cried, holy. I cried, holy, holy. I clapped my hands and sang, glory, glory to the Son, glory to the Son of God, glory to the Son of God. And yes, and as I entered the gate of that city, oh, my loved ones, they all knew me well. Then they took me down streets of heaven, and all the saints, there were too many to tell that I saw Abraham and I saw Jacob, and I said, and I talked with Mark, sat down with Timothy. Oh, but I said, Timothy, I want to see Jesus, 'cause He's the one who died for me and you. Then I bowed on my knees and cried, holy. I cried, holy, holy, holy. Then I clapped my hands and sang, glory. I said, glory, 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 glory. glory